Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making my mother's recipe for coconut macaroons. Let's get started.
As always, we start with our ingredients. We need 2 egg whites, a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon vanilla extract or a half a tablespoon vanilla sugar, 2/3 a cup or 130 grams of sugar, 1 1/3 cup or 110 grams of shredded coconut. We begin with the eggs. I separate the eggs, keeping the whites and setting the yolks aside. Then, beat the egg whites. I start by beating them until white and foamy but not yet stiff. And then I add the salt and the vanilla and continue beating until they reach stiff peaks. Now, slowly add your sugar. I actually added mine a bit too fast, and I ended up knocking some of the air out of my eggs. They'll still bake up fine if that happens, but learn from my mistakes and add it even more slowly into the egg mixture. When you're happy with your meringue, gently fold in the coconut. Then you can either drop the macaroons onto a lined baking tray, or you can pipe them on if you want more uniform side. I wasn't too worried about it, so I dropped them on with a spoon. These are not to be confused with French macarons, which are much more complicated. These are much more simple. Bake them at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 165 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until the macaroons get the color of toasted coconut. Here's what they look like. They're soft and chewy and absolutely delicious. The best part, aside from the coconut, these are absolutely fat-free. Look how gorgeous they are on the inside. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Many people also dip them in melted chocolate. I prefer them without, whichever you like better. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe. Sometimes separating eggs doesn't go as planned, no matter how many times you've done it before.